give me an upgrade. What? Yeah, pretty good. Things seem to be going super full today. Hi. Yeah. Yep. My ID. Also, I was just hoping to check with you if there's any possibility to get an upgrade. I have a knee surgery coming in, and it'll be great if you guys can buy something up for me. We are allowed to carry some, right? I mean, it's on this though. One C, yeah? Big room enough? I'm rooting on you.
You have to. क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
Also, is it possible to put a fragile sticker on this?
So your indigo is soft fragile, but we'll take care of it.
Okay, no, the thing is I'm carrying yours also inside.
No problem, sir.
Oh yeah, perfect, yeah. Your good name, sir? Pavan. Thank you so much, Pavan. Cheers. So Pavan here was super kind enough to give me an upgrade to 1C. It's been a while, and if you ever come to Bangalore airport, definitely look for that gentleman. Anyway, security check has been done. I think I have only 10 minutes to get in the lounge, but hopefully go get some good food to eat. What chutia cutting just happened. Basically, biggest chutia cutting just happened right now. I came thinking that in the lounge that my card works. I don't know why they came up to me and they were like, oh sorry, it's not going through. And I'm like, what? And in this rage, I didn't eat anything in the morning, and now I'm super hungry as well, but just don't feel like eating anything at the moment. Man, such a disappointing experience. I'm glad I at least made it to the flight. So next time, make sure to get a credit card and come to Bangalore airport. Don't do the mistake that I did. I was told that debit cards are also being used, but I don't know why it feels like everybody in Bangalore today decided to fly out. This is my boarding gate. Waiting for the queue to go down a bit. Few things to remember, that don't do the mistake that I did. Number one, make sure you have credit card. The debit card, even though it's Visa, it can go through, cannot go through. But I just basically got shown the middle finger. But at least the positives are I managed to get an upgrade, which is hopefully there should be food on the flight. Have been super sweet, and they've put me on the Excel thing, so it is lots of leg space. So a lot of y'all don't know why this trip is even happening. I'll surely tell you as soon as I reach Trivandrum. Apparently I don't have permission to film here yet, but the whole road and some crazy drama just happened a minute back. I couldn't film it, but I will tell you.